Islam, Prophet Muhammad. Islam means submission of oneself before the God, and Muslim means the follower of God. Islam originated in Arabia. In the beginning, Arabs worshipped many objects of nature. In Mecca, the stone of Kaaba and other 360 idols were worshipped by them. This was considered to be one of the most important religious places. The life of Muhammad Paigambar. Prophet Muhammad Paigambar, the founder of Islam. Paigambar was born in 570 CE at Mecca, and his parents were Abdullah and Amina. He lost his parents and brought up by his uncle. In Mecca, he was introduced to a rich widow by name Khadija and married her. They had 2 sons and 4 daughters. He was impressed by the simplicity and monotheism of Christianity and Jewish religions. He started meditating deeply for long hours on Mount Hira to find remedies for the religious problems of Arab people. After the Enlightenment, Paigambar was called as the messenger of the God by the people. When he was in deep meditation, he used it to share his messages with his disciples. Such collection of messages were compiled and published later. This is known as the Holy Book of Quran. When Paigambar opposed polytheism, the enraged people of Mecca conspired to murder him. Become aware of this, he traveled from Mecca to Medina in 622 CE. This incident is known as Hijra, which means the departure. The people of Medina welcomed him and followed his principles. After 8 years, a war took place between Mecca and Medina. In this war, the people of Medina defeated the people of Mecca, and later they became the followers of Islam, and gradually his teachings spread all over the Arab region, and Paigambar died in 632 CE. Teachings of Islam. God is one. A simple prayer is enough to win the heart of the God. One should lead an honest and principled life and should keep away from all the bad habits. One should have respect for women and compassion for the poor and weak. These are the simple teachings of Islam. Rituals of Islam. There are 5 rituals are there. Kalima, belief only in Allah, Muhammad is his prophet. Namaz, prayer for Allah for 5 times in a day. Roza, fasting in the month of Ramzan. Zakat, definite sum to be spared in the income to give to the poor. Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca once in lifetime. The Holy Quran and stone of Kaaba at Mecca, the holy place for Muslims. Thank you.